Everybody, welcome to Mandaichi Customs. Today I want to show you a review of the Ford GT race car, which comes in the Hot Wheels 2017 line. And here he is in his packaged mode. And I have to say I like the Ford GT car, the old version. I do also like this car, but I do like the older a little better because this is a little too futuristic, I think, also for me, for my opinion. So here he is, nice artwork. It says Ford Performance Hot Wheels. It comes in the J pack from Hot Wheels, and here he is outside the box. And very nice car, cool tempos. You see here side Ford. Here says Ford Performance 16. Here is on the top a line. Front Ford 16 from other side. The back section, it would be cool if the spoiler were also die cast, like the new models. So here is the back window, which looks very futuristic. You see the diecast metal is very shiny. No back printing. I have to say I do not like this little bit too bulky, I think, makes the car. The bottom says DTW 92 2016 Ford GT Race, Mattel, made in Malaysia. The tires are the same like the Acura Racer and the BMW M4 from the 2017 line, I think. He rolls very well. And I think he rolls on, I do not have tracks, but I think that he rolls very well on them. So that was it. Thanks for watching.